Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Godzilla EA, an expert advisor available for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, take a look at the available features and settings, and then discuss the historical testing information and overall results provided by the developer. Starting here on the marketplace page, Godzilla EA is currently listed at 49 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 19 US dollars. This is version 1.0, and according to the developer, the EA is designed as a nighttime scalping system that focuses on trading during periods that are generally less exposed to high volatility. The developer also highlights that the EA uses a newer algorithm with simplified installation and a reduced number of settings, which can make the setup process easier compared to more complex systems. Looking further into the specifications, the recommended trading pairs are AUD-CAD, AUD-CHF, CHF-JPY, Euro-AUD, Euro-JPY, GBP-AUD, and GBP-JPY. The recommended time frame is M15, and the minimum deposit starts from $100 with a minimum lot size of 0.01. The developer also recommends using leverage from 1:100 and suggests ECN or NDD account types rather than standard or cent accounts. One important detail mentioned on this page is that the EA operates during nighttime trading sessions, running 5 nights per week from Monday night through Friday night. There is also a reminder that the GMT offset setting called time shift must be configured correctly according to the broker's server time and updated when daylight saving time changes occur. Moving into the feature set, one of the main points emphasized by the developer is that the EA does not use martingale, grid trading, arbitrage, or averaging as part of its standard operation. The system opens trade independently for each supported currency pair, and entries are based on spread conditions and the internal signal logic programmed for each pair. Now, as I scroll through the settings, there are options for fixed lot sizing as well as auto position sizing. The developer recommends an auto value between 3 and 5. There are also controls for manual stop loss and take profit levels, spread limitations, slippage settings, break-even functionality, and individual trading permissions for each weekday session. Now, another feature available is time-based position management, allowing open trades to be closed automatically at a specified GMT hour. There is also an optional averaging trade function included in the settings. However, the developer clearly notes that this feature is disabled by default and was not used during the development and testing of the EA. They specifically advise using it only at your own risk. Now, moving over to the backtesting section, this is where we can evaluate the historical testing performance provided for the system. Whenever I review any EA, I like to treat backtests as historical analysis rather than proof of future performance. They can provide useful insight into how a strategy behaved under past market conditions, but they should always be viewed with realistic expectations. Now, let us start by looking at the provided results here. I can see that from an initial deposit of $1,000, over $1.7 million was generated in total net profit. The symbols here are the recommended symbols, right? And then here I can see that the total trades taken were 6,913, out of which 5,670 were profitable, giving us an 82.019% win rate. All right, and the equity slash balance curve looks pretty interesting. Seems to have a steady growth over time. But let's head over to our strategy tester right away. Let's see how the Godzilla EA performed on AUDCAD, one of the recommended pairs, on the M15 time frame over the past 3 months. We are using the every tick modeling. All right. So looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was 524.2, and total trades taken were 13, out of which 11 were profitable, giving us an 84.62% win rate. The largest profit was 129.32, largest loss was 3.7, average profit 48.17, and the average loss was 2.85. Okay, so this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is amazing, right? The difference between the average profit and average loss is wide, and the average profit is of course bigger than the average loss. So the risk to reward ratio is amazing. Okay, and the win rate is also amazing. So from 13 trades, the EA did pretty well, generating about 5% plus. So let's just turn on the visuals as well so we can see the EA in action. Okay, looking through the completed historical trades and then also looking at the chart activity, we can observe how the EA managed entries and exits throughout the tested period. Since the developer states that trades are opened independently on each supported pair and that spread conditions play a role in trade selection, the historical activity gives us a picture of how the system responded to those predefined rules over time. All right, I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Extending the testing period can often reveal strengths and weaknesses that may not be obvious in shorter historical samples. Now, as for the overall results, the historical testing performance should be interpreted carefully. All right, actual outcomes can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market environments, and any optimization performed by the user. So overall, Godzilla EA presents itself as a nighttime scalping expert advisor for MT4, with support for several specific currency pairs, a relatively straightforward setup process, and a wide range of configurable risk and trade management settings. As always, before considering live deployment, I would recommend conducting your own testing and optimization to determine whether its behavior aligns with your trading objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.